Visheshta and welcome back to my channel. So today I have brought another Happy New Year card video. So first of all, take a colored paper and fold it into half horizontally. Take a printed paper, cut a triangle and paste it on the paper like this. Take another colored paper. I have taken blue color. Draw a rectangle and its bottom like this. Now cut it out. Paste it on the paper like this. Let's make some beautiful flowers. Just follow the method. Here we got a beautiful paper flower. We will need 2 more flowers like this in different colors. Take a green colored paper. Cut a broad strip and fold it into 4 pieces. Now draw a shape of a leaf. And then cut it out. Now paste all this as shown in the video. Paste golden half pearls in the middle of the flowers. using a black sketch pen. Paste some more half full to make it look more beautiful. And you're done. So if you liked this card, make sure that you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel.